we're just in the Nantmor Blinds showroom and I'm just going to show you how to remove our standard roller blind. So it's normally easiest if you just pull the blind down slightly, just so that you don't have quite as much fabric wrapped around the roll, especially if it is a thick fabric. You're then going to want to come to the opposite side to the chain and just remove the bracket cover, normally easiest with a flathead screwdriver. You'll then see that there's a clear disc here, so if it's on the right hand side of the blind, you're going to want to twist that disc towards you, and if it's on the other side, then you're going to want to twist it away from you. You'll hear that click, and then you can just plunge it to that same side and the blind should release. And then to reinstall your blind, you're going to want to do the same but in reverse. So you're just going to plunge this side into the bracket first, and then just make sure that this part of the mechanism is in the centre of the roll on this side, and then you can just spring it into that side. And then you can just slide your bracket cover back onto there and your blind is back up.